Welcome to this video series introducing the Digital Academy, the innovative online platform that brings together the academic opportunities offered by the FORTHEM Alliance European University. Get ready to explore our way of learning, connecting and growing together. In this video, we will explore what the FORTHEM Digital Academy is, what it offers, and how each of you can benefit from it. The FORTHEM Digital Academy is the educational platform that connects the Moodle systems of the FORTHEM partner universities. Since 2020, it has linked the platforms of 7 universities across 7 European countries. The University of Burgundy in France, the University of Mainz in Germany, the University of Latvia, the University of Jyväskylä in Finland, the University of Palermo in Italy, the University of Valencia in Spain, and the University of Opole in Poland. Since 2025, thanks to the strong commitment of all partners, the FORTHEM Digital Academy has grown with the addition of 2 new members, the University of Agder in Norway and the University of Sibiu in Romania. 9 countries, 9 connected universities, 1 shared digital learning environment. Let's take a moment to recall the main objectives of our FORTHEM Digital Academy platform. First, to promote the internationalization and digital integration of curricula. Thanks to the FORTHEM Digital Academy, students and users in general from any of the 9 partner universities can attend courses offered by the others and enrich their own academic pathway with international perspectives and diverse teaching styles. Second, to encourage the creation of collaborative courses so that both teachers and students can find renewed inspiration in their academic work through cross-border cooperation and shared educational experiences. And third, to complement traditional Erasmus exchanges and make international learning more inclusive. Curriculum internationalization can now happen from the comfort of home. All you need is a computer or a smartphone. To support the work of the FORTHEM Digital Academy, we have created the Digital Academy Office. This team is composed of 5 members dedicated to all aspects of the platform: academic aspects, administrative procedures, technical support, and the aspects related to the 2 units developed over recent years, the Diversity and Inclusion Unit and the Green Sustainability Unit. Administrative and IT roles are especially important in the context of our presentation, as they provide the practical support needed for your participation on our platform. You will find the contact details for the responsible office and the IT support on the final slide of this presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly and we will provide the answers or connect you with the appropriate local contact. What does the FORTHEM Digital Academy offer today? In March 2025, our platform offered 32 courses, 11 learning activities and 2 internships, digital internships, focused one on the green and sustainability topics and one centered on language and linguistic studies. However, from 2019 to 2025, we have shared much more than that. We shared 40 courses, 27 learning activities, 2 internships. The FORTHEM Digital Academy is, in every respect, a true university-level education offer, so one platform that continues to grow and evolve year after year. Our open badge system reflects the activities carried out so far. At the moment, the FORTHEM Digital Academy issues its open badges as its main, but not only, form of digital certification using the Open Badge Factory platform. From 2019 to 2022, we issued 71 badges. From 2022 to the midterm review we had in November 2024, we issued 68 badges. Although these numbers are still relatively modest compared to the full potential of the Alliance, which we will discuss later, today's presentation, along with the planned activities for the coming month, is designed to significantly increase these figures by the end of the year. You've heard that I use the terms courses and learning activities. What do we mean by these terms? One of the main objectives of the Digital Academy Office is to promote the integration of activities offered on the FORTHEM platform into the regular study plans of our users as much as possible. Therefore, the recognition process within the local universities is a crucial step. To support this, the Digital Academy Office has decided to categorize the different types of activities offered through the platform, and this is the main distinction. A course includes at least one ECTS credit and a certificate, which will help the user to obtain the recognition of the credits within local FORTHEM partner universities. When these two elements are absent, the term learning activity applies. The partners of the Alliance are committed to sharing 10 new courses by the first semester of the 2026-27 academic year, significantly enriching the educational potential of the platform. Now let's take a look at some specific course examples, a showcase of what you can currently find on the FORTHEM Digital Academy. Right now, the platform offers 10 courses focused on green literacy, all designed to promote sustainability and environmental awareness. We offer 8 language courses designed to boost your language skills and help you discover the rich linguistic diversity of our Alliance. Our courses span multiple disciplines, ensuring a well-rounded and comprehensive learning experience. I'd now like to share some key facts and figures about the FORTHEM Alliance to highlight the great potential and benefits that the FORTHEM Digital Academy can offer to all partners. Our FORTHEM family includes 9 universities. Together we represent more than 230,000 students, over 40,000 academic and administrative staff, 200 doctoral programs, 870 graduate programs. By December 24, the number of users of our platform reached more than 1,600 users. A solid result, especially considering that the FORTHEM Digital Academy is still on a work in progress. But we are confident this number will continue to grow, especially thanks to meetings like this one, which help us all better understand and promote the platform. There are several reasons to be optimistic. Many partners are planning to upload new courses in the upcoming academic year. Our new members, CBU and AGDER, have already joined with materials ready to be shared, and the FORTHEM Digital Academy benefits from the support of an excellent team of IT experts from all partner universities. As a result, the quality of our educational offer, already improved in recent months, is set to grow even further in the near future. Our platform brings a wide range of benefits for teachers. One of the most valuable is the possibility to integrate traditional in-person lessons with digital modules. For instance, parts of a course or even some exam components can be delivered online by using materials prepared by a colleague from another partner university. It also makes it easier to reach students who are not physically present, whether there are local students living far from campus or Erasmus students abroad. Thanks to the FORTHEM Digital Academy, students no longer need to be in the classroom at all times to follow a course. Another key advantage is the opportunity to internationalize academic programs by including modules created by colleagues from other countries, enriching both content and perspective. And finally, the platform supports team teaching with foreign colleagues. Teachers interested in this type of collaboration can count on our full support to help coordinate and implement joint teaching activities successfully. Students can benefit enormously from our platform in many ways. First of all, it allows them to combine in-person lessons with digital modules, which can make experiences like Erasmus even more flexible and enriching. A student abroad can still follow courses from their home university or even from other partner universities, staying connected to their academic path across borders. The FORTHEM Digital Academy also gives students the chance to diversify their curricula by choosing from a wider range of subjects, languages, and perspectives that would otherwise be unavailable to them locally. And perhaps one of the most exciting advantages, students can access international education and even international internships without even leaving their country. This opens doors for those who might not be able to travel or to go abroad for extended periods. Finally, the platform encourages students to take ownership of their learning journey, giving them the tools to organize their path more independently and tailor it to their interests and goals. Staff members can also take full advantage of the opportunities offered by our platform. Our platform can also be a valuable resource for administrative staff across our partner universities. It would be especially interesting to explore how local institutions could integrate participation in FORTHEM Digital Academy courses into their official training programs for administrative staff, and also share training courses about international relations, for example, to all partners. This would not only enhance professional development, but also foster a greater sense of connection and shared purpose across the Alliance. By using the platform, staff members can broaden their skills, engage with colleagues from other countries, and actively contribute to the international dimension of our universities. Considering all the individual benefits, the advantages for universities are easily described. Universities benefit from the platform by expanding their educational offerings, supporting the integration of micro-credentials and flexible learning modules, and actively promoting internationalization among both teachers and students. The FORTHEM Digital Academy strengthens institutional capacity and helps each university align more closely with the goals of innovation, inclusion, and European cooperation. As we come to the end of this video, we warmly invite you to join us in making this space even more vibrant and inspiring. For more information, feel free to watch the other videos in this series or reach out to us through the contact channels that you can see displayed in your screen. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.